otherwise they think that I'm a drunk.
Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let me extend to you all a warm welcome in Tallinn.
So what they are trying to propose, okay, will give us proposal like this for Serbia, but then we'll take it.
When I was very young, DSU.
Okay, I will give them your regards. I will probably see them next week. Okay.
So, now, I was planning for a long time to come to
Yes, I know.
just to see you, not more than 30 minutes working. To take 30 minutes. Okay?
But extremely aggressive budgets like that. And there was 1.5 year
Attention. It's not easy. It is a mountain. I had as always a very excellent meeting with my good friend Ilir Meta, Foreign Minister of Albania. We meet on every occasion, and today's NATO meeting was a very good occasion for us to meet again. And as always, as you know, Greece puts emphasis on the European accession process of all our neighbors in the Western Balkans, and Albania is here a very, very important partner for us, and this is what we have discussed, the European accession process of Albania, which Greece fully supports. And I think the next very important step in this process is the visa liberalization for Albania. We have said this, it is high time that also the citizens of Albania have the first benefits of this European accession process, and in this you will find in Greece always a supporter, and we will closely cooperate in that.
Okay, I'd like to thank my very good friend, Minister Drutsas, for the support of him and of the Greek government for accelerating EU accession of Albania, and in particular for getting as soon as possible visa-free regime with the Schengen area. And everyone knows that the relations of Greece are of strategic importance for Albania, not being a very important neighbor for us, and also NATO and EU member, but because of traditional relations and because of the fact that Greece and Albania can do a lot for strengthening the stability of the whole region, which is fundamental for the stability of not only our countries, but of the whole continent. That's the reason that we have applauded the launching from the Greek presidency of the Agenda 2014 for the EU integration of the whole region, which is a very symbolic and which can give a new impetus to the reforms and to the peace and stability in our region. Okay.
Once again, Ilir.
Thank you very much. Okay.
So that it was clearly decreasing, but then we introduced some measures like the pay. Well, glad to host you here in not only in Estonia but also in our comments from Prime Minister and other members of the delegation.
It's my first visit in Estonia and in the Baltic
area. I've been often in this just the first visit, and we will have another. It was a great pleasure to see the Foreign Minister of Estonia and to be in Estonia, which was a good opportunity after the very successful visit of the Estonian Prime Minister in Tirana recently. And I'm very glad to see that our bilateral relations are advancing, and also that Estonia is expressing its will and readiness, as always, to strongly support Albania for visa liberalization and also for the accession process into the European Union. I hope that very soon the Albanian embassy is going to be opened in Estonia according to the decision from the government, and we will enhance a lot the overall cooperation between two countries and the people.
Yeah. I'm very glad to host my Albanian colleague here in Estonia, and I'm glad that the relationship between Estonia and Albania is developing very fast and positively. We have already very strong partnership, as both we are members of NATO, and I'm pretty sure that soon we will be also partners in the European Union. We are ready and open to assist, to support Albania as much as needed on the way towards European Union's membership. We know from our own experience how important it is to get visa freedom with the rest of the European countries. And that's why for us it's also clear that Albanian citizens should get as soon as possible also visa freedom to the EU. So that I hope that this will also happen in very foreseeable future, so that it's natural that there are no visa burdens inside Europe. And also if to look at Albanian performance so far, the preparations for EU membership and also fresh membership in NATO, then I see it as only possible logical next step that also Albania will get visa freedom with the rest of Europe, with European Union countries. Thank you.